Hi everyone, it's Melinda from MTZ Crew Designs. Welcome back to another tutorial from the Couture creative team. If you've ever looked at a refrigerator and thought, you know what this needs? Tiny works of art, then you're definitely my kind of people. Today I'm showing you how I created these beautiful decorative magnets using a combination of Couture products. They're quick to make, completely customizable, and honestly, they're almost too pretty to hide under grocery lists. Okay, let's get started. The first step is applying Couture's Perfect Pigments directly into my silicone molds. These ultra fine pigment powders coat the inside of the mold first, which means all of that gorgeous metallic shimmer becomes part of the finished casting. Next, I'm mixing Couture's rapid casting resin. This is a simple 1-to-1 ratio, so I just combine equal parts of step 1 and step 2, stir for about 30 seconds, and then carefully pour into the mold. Now, Couture's rapid casting resin does come in 3 different colors. It comes in the black, the white, and the ivory. But if you're feeling spicy, you can also buy the resin in the flexible formula as well. One of my favorite things about the resin is the cure time. In about 10 minutes, these castings are ready to be demolded, which makes this project come together surprisingly fast. Once the resin comes out of the mold, I like to trim away any little areas where I slightly over poured the resin. And a tiny pair of manicure scissors works perfectly for this. Although keep in mind, it is much easier to do this while the resin is still fresh, rather than waiting until it's fully cured when it becomes much harder to trim cleanly. This is a neat little tip that I learned from my friend Alicia at Sunshine Studios. And now I'm gluing the magnets onto the back of the resin castings. Besides the obvious reason that, well, they're magnets. I also like doing this before sealing because the magnets do lift the castings slightly off of my work surface, which makes it much easier to apply my top coat. And now comes my favorite part, just bringing these little pieces to life. Some of these castings were already colored using Perfect Pigments from Couture while they were inside the mold. Others I actually finished with some of the Couture Lux Metallic Paints, but a few were painted using this colored wax technique. This is where you can let your creativity take over because no two pieces have to look alike. To seal everything, I'm going to use Couture's Pouring Resin. This is hands down my favorite finish for smaller decorative projects because it creates an incredibly durable, crystal clear, high gloss finish that really makes all those metallic colors pop. Another thing I love is that it works beautifully over water-based and oil-based products, so it's incredibly versatile. Once applied, I let the resin level itself and then allow it to cure for at least 8 to 12 hours before handling. Patience is definitely rewarded here, I promise. This is what it looks like when it's still wet with the pouring resin. And this is what it looks like when the castings are completely dry. This is the finished collection. I absolutely love how each magnet developed its own personality while still feeling like part of the same collection. Whether you use them on a refrigerator, a magnetic memo board, or even as little handmade gifts, they're such a fun way to turn simple castings into something beautiful and functional. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes creating with me today. If you feel inspired to create your own project, I will list my affiliate link along with all of the products that I used today in the description below. And thanks again for hanging out with me. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial from the Couture creative team. Have a great day. Bye.